The pull-up is, honestly, one of the most effective exercises for building upper body strength. It primarily targets the latissimus dorsi, traps and rhomboids in the back, the biceps and brachialis in the arms, and the core muscles for stabilization. To perform a pull-up, grip the bar with your hands shoulder-width apart and your palms facing away from you. Hang with your arms fully extended and engage your core. Pull yourself up by squeezing your shoulder blades together and driving your elbows down towards your torso. Continue pulling until your chin is above the bar. Alright, so avoid using momentum or kipping to pull yourself up, because this actually reduces the effectiveness of the exercise and honestly increases your risk of injury. You really want to focus on maintaining a controlled and steady motion throughout the exercise, as this helps you get the most out of each rep. Pull-ups are, without a doubt, a great way to build upper body strength and muscle mass. They also improve functional fitness and can help improve your posture. If you're new to pull-ups, you can start with assisted pull-ups or negative pull-ups to build strength. As you get stronger, you can try variations like close grip pull-ups or archer pull-ups to challenge yourself further. Pull-ups are a fantastic way to build upper body strength, so start adding them to your workouts and see the results for yourself. Remember, focus on good form and progress at your own pace for the best results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to follow Fit India Trust for more fitness tips and always practice pull-ups safely. Thanks for watching.